Can you drive stick? Do you have manual?
No, never. I've never.
Do you want to learn?
Lexus girl.
I'd love to learn.
You want to learn today?
Yeah.
Ah!
That's exciting.
Good. I guess what is this? Teaching a model how to drive a manual? How to drive stick shift? All right, cool. So Ellie is going out of her comfort zone. She was talking earlier about how that's the only place where like you got to get out of it to experience something good. So that's what we're gonna do.
I'm nervous.
We're gonna start. Kind of give her an idea of how to drive. Probably won't really go much out of first or second gear. Really on the road, but she's gonna get moving and feel comfortable. So let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, so right here, can you see?
Yes.
All right, that one's the clutch. So that one controls how you can actually shift.
Okay. Yeah, I saw you doing that when you were.
So, and then over here, brake and then accelerator, which is the same exact thing as a normal car. So the only difference is the clutch. Okay, so the first thing is, actually let's start from the very beginning. Actually turn off the car. So just grab the key, turn it. So right now we're in neutral, so what you need to do is put the key back in.
Okay.
You have to actually take your left foot and push it all the way down on the clutch. Left foot.
Oh, clutch.
Yeah, so the left foot is on the clutch. Keep it all the way down, push it all the way down. Now turn it on.
There we go.
Okay. So you can let go of the clutch because it's in neutral right now.
Okay.
So obviously we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Yes.
So what I want you to do is push the clutch all the way down and keep it there.
Okay.
And so we're just gonna get you the feel for actually maneuvering the shift. So push it left front.
Okay.
Now pull it back in second. Now push it to the middle and over a little bit. That's third. Pull it back for fourth and then over to the right for fifth. Now what I want you to do is I want you to pull back into the middle so it's in neutral. That was all the way back into fourth. So this would be neutral.
Oh, just in the, okay.
So when you're try going from fifth and then switch it into neutral and go all the way down to second. So that's how you would like shift when you're going through a turn sometimes.
Okay.
I mean, that's more aggressive driving. But you get the idea.
Okay.
And a lot of the time you want the RPMs, if you start out, try to keep the RPMs right around 1K, even pushing up to 2K, somewhere around there, and then you won't stall. So, and if we start getting going and you get concerned about anything, push your left foot all the way down and it'll disengage the clutch and you can brake. You can brake while using the clutch, so just pushing the brake and the clutch at the same time if you just want to stop and stop moving or do anything. So what you're going to do is very easily take your foot off slowly. So you're just going to hinge it off of your heel with the left foot, and the right foot you're going to push in the accelerator and just try it slowly. Yeah. You can just feel it out. Take your time. Actually, hold on, sorry. Push the clutch in. Oh, stop. I messed up. I meant to teach you that you have to take off, but it's a good time to teach you that. You actually have to take off the brake. So push your foot in the brake, click here, and pull back, and then let go down. Perfect, you got it. So, all right, so you're gonna push your clutch foot, left foot all the way down because the car stalled, so you're gonna turn it back on. So turn it off and then turn it back on. So try that again with taking your left foot back and your right foot into it. You got it. More on the right, more right, more right. Yeah, there you are. Okay, now clutch foot back in, clutch in, back in, all the way in, all the way in.
Okay.
And then hit the brake with your right foot. And stay there. Okay, that was perfect. You did really good. So what I want you to do is I want you to do that like 10 more times. Because you got the feel for it. So do that again, and then once you start going, then put the clutch in and then brake again.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, clutch it all the way in and brake.
Okay.
Cool. Do it 2 more times and then we can circle back around.
Okay.
You got, oh, that was great.
Yeah, that was
it. That was it. Yeah, you're finding that area. That's the area. Yeah, you got it.
Okay. That's so cool.
You got it. Perfect. All right, so clutch in and brake in.
Okay.
And so clutch is all the way down. So pull this back into neutral. And then brake on. So put the the e-brake, I guess it is.
Here we
Cool.
go.
So you did great. So that was really good.
Fun.
Like you really found that area.
I
Like
did.
you got to figure out how much on and how much off.
Yeah.
And you really
I felt it.
You really found that. So let's turn around the car and then go back again. And I feel like one more round of that, and then we can switch into second.
Okay.
And then you'll basically be driving
Do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So let's switch. I'll get in drivers.
Okay, yeah.
How's it going?
It's going great. Seatbelt buckled.
Yeah.
Safety first. Okay. What's next?
What do you think?
Do I have to return it on?
No.
Okay.
That was just because it stalled.
Yeah, don't tell me.
It's tricky.
Do I have to go into like first gear?
No. Almost have it. If you try, you're gonna stall.
Okay.
Anything, you're gonna stall, no matter what. That's not the first. All right, can I tell you?
Yeah.
Okay. The brake is.
Oh my gosh.
I was trying to tell you. It was like it's tricky.
That's funny.
So all you gotta do is put your foot down on the clutch, and then put it into first, and you're ready to start moving.
Okay. Whoa.
You got it. You got it. It's all right. It's all
Okay.
right. All right. Now clutch in. All the way and stop with your brake.
Oh.
All right. Neutral.
Okay.
And then push it into first again. So the only thing that happened there was you didn't give it enough acceleration, so the RPMs dropped past what allowed the engine to actually run. So if you would have kept going, or if you would have stopped, you almost stalled, which is not a big deal, but you just
What does
almost.
stalling mean?
Stalling means like the engine doesn't have enough RPMs to actually keep it moving forward, so it cuts out and just it's like you shut off the car basically.
Oh. Okay.
The same thing.
Okay. So
So you ready to do it again?
I'm ready.
So clutch in. Oh, you already got clutch in. It's already in the first. So all you got to do is start feather in both again. There you are.
Okay.
And then stop again. Doing really good. So do it 2 more times, and then we can head around the opposite way, and then we can get you going into second gear.
Okay. There's a car behind me.
Here, so let's stop and put on the 4 ways.
I feel so cool.
Yeah, first time learning manuals in a Porsche. That's cool.
That's what we like here.
So what I want you to do is before you start moving, I want you to practice going from neutral into first, then second, and then back into neutral. Try it one more time. First, second, back into neutral.
Okay.
Cool.
Got it.
So, I mean, basically, I don't know if that can really give you anything else.
No, yeah.
I think
So,
you're good to go.
I feel like
Any questions?
just I need to. What is that called again? The left
Clutch.
foot? Clutch. I got it.
So when you want to shift into second, you have to push the clutch all the way back in.
Yeah,
And it's the same exact feeling, same exact thing as first, but you're doing it in second.
Okay, I forget. Do we start in first
Starting first, yeah.
right now? Did I just stall?
Yeah, just stall. You have to stall to learn. So clutch all the way in
Okay.
and put it into neutral, and then turn the key off and turn it back on. Yeah, the only thing you did there was the RPMs dropped too low.
Okay.
So you can actually have a bias towards using a higher RPM.
Okay.
So then it won't stall. Good.
Yeah.
Clutch in. Second. Feather it. Yep, you got it.
Okay.
And then clutch back in, and then brake, and just come to a stop, and put it in neutral.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that one more time. All you gotta do is focus on. It's okay to give it more gas.
Okay.
If you gave it more gas last time, it would have been perfect.
Okay.
So first,
Perfect.
Almost. You just had to let off the gas. You're good.
Okay.
You're good. All right, so stop again. Clutch, make sure the clutch is in. You
Okay.
good?
Wait, what am I
Put it
doing
in
wrong?
first.
Not enough gas.
Not enough gas on that, and when you were shifting, I think it was you forgot to take your foot off the accelerator.
Oh, okay.
So when you're shifting, you put the clutch all the way in, and then you take your foot off of.
Oh, I definitely did that wrong. Okay.
You're good though. That's in first, so you're ready to start out again?
Yes, I'm ready.
Make sure you give it more gas than
Okay.
you have been. Okay, so here. No, you're good. Clutch back in. Okay, so what you're actually doing this time, which a lot of people do, is you have to do a little bit more slowly with the clutch. You're going from like full on to full off, and that's what you just baby it and feather it again. Take your time with it. So
Restart it.
yeah, put it in neutral again, restart it.
Okay.
Put it in first. Yeah. You gotta go a little faster,
Okay.
and then clutch in, accelerate off second, feather it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you
perfect.
mean like I have to feather it again?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's the same movement.
Okay.
And we'll turn around again and do it one more time.
Okay.
That was good though. The first, I thought you had a little bit more, but I guess when you go to a second
There's a
gear,
lot to
you start
remember.
yeah. All right, how confident are you feeling?
Like 60%.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good enough.
It's definitely good enough. Okay.
Good.
I'm trying to think of the steps.
Remember the feather. Feather with acceleration. Not enough. Yeah, you're getting it.
Okay.
You're fine. I mean, you have to keep doing this to learn. You know what I mean? Because it's a certain area where the accelerator and the clutch
Yeah.
needs to be when you're feathering it. More gas. You're fine. So give it more acceleration.
Okay.
Don't be shy. There you are. Slowly feather. You gotta feather both. If you're only feathering one, so try it again. You good?
Whoops.
Put it in first.
Okay.
Feather both. Take your time. More acceleration.
Dang it.
You had it when you first started.
I know. I don't know what's going on. Whoops.
Checking it out. Yeah.
Okay.
Acceleration. Yeah, there you
There
are.
we go.
You just saved it.
Okay.
Clutch in. Second gear. Acceleration.
Okay.
Yeah, there you are. And get it to
Go.
third. Get it to third. It up and over. Yeah, there you are. Ah!
Yay!
Cool. All right, now go into neutral, and then shift down to second, and then let go of clutch and accelerate. Okay. Perfect. Now when you're coming to a stop, you don't really need to actually go into first. Just coast until you push in the clutch now. Left foot all the way in, and then brake. Left foot all the way in.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta get the clutch all the way in.
There we go.
All right, let's do it one more time so you get a good one to end it out. Okay? Let's switch. No.
Okay.
So don't be afraid to push down on the accelerator more, and then slowly bring the clutch.
Okay.
Very slow with the clutch.
Okay.
You got it. Left foot clutch in. Second, accelerator. You got it.
Yay!
Let's get third. Up to the right. Yep. What? You got it.
Woo!
All right, so now bring it back in a second. Clutch in. Now start applying brake and clutch at the same time.
Okay.
So you go into neutral, and then you learn how to drive manual.
I'm
Congrats.
so proud.
Ah!
I'm so happy. Okay.
Cool.
Oh my god.
Yeah, heck
Yay.
yeah.
I'm so surprised. I thought it was gonna be way harder than that. It still was hard.
Yeah.
That was fun.
So I guess it's time to do the outro. So this was Motion Colors Winter 2022 collection, live now only for a short time. And this was, I guess, taking a model to buy a Porsche and learning how to drive stick shift with Ellie Grills.
Yes.
So anything you want to add before we get you going?
I'm just so happy that I learned how to drive, and that a Porsche was the first car that I learned how to drive stick.
Heck yeah.
That's iconic.
Yeah. So I had a blast. Like,
Me too.
I was really impressed with, like, I think you're one of the, I don't want to let the other models know.
Yeah.
I think I'm one of the favorite ones I worked with. Like, you're really natural.
Really?
Like, on camera, I didn't really have to give you any feedback. You weren't timid.
Oh my
like,
gosh.
You're in the whole shoot and excited about it.
Thank
so,
you.
Maybe we'll have to bring you back.
I would love to.
Other ideas in the future. I'm trying to develop them, but there's gonna definitely be like taking a model skiing.
That would be so
taking a model
fun.
to the fair. Taking
Yeah.
a model scuba diving. I don't have the budget
Those
for that.
are good ideas, though.
Yeah, we'll have to bring you back, and
Love to.
I'd love to follow your what's your social?
Ellie.Grills. Follow me.
And is that on all?
Yeah, on Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, it's all the same.
All right. So, what should we look to you for in the future, like, or look forward to that you got coming up for yourself?
More modeling content all the time, and my best friend and I are releasing a podcast, Room 307. So that's exciting. We're working on that.
What do you guys talk about?
We are just going to talk about our life. Moving in, we moved into an apartment, and we're freshmen in college, so that's like not normal.
Yeah.
People have a lot of questions for us all the time. We're just kind of crazy.
So your life, your personality.
Yeah,
things that
yeah,
you-
just our life and our mindset.
Yeah.
Everything in general. It'll be fun. It's just girls talk.
Yeah.
Room 307.
I'll have to check it out.
Yeah.
And if I can give you any feedback or recommendation for your future as you're pursuing things, is don't worry about the end goal. Like right now, it's like, you know, my YouTube channel has like 30 subscribers, but I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care how many views this thing gets. Like, I'm enjoying it. It was fun today. Like, you're gonna have fun shooting your podcast. Live in the moment. Don't think it's ever gonna get any better in the future. Like, fun wise or more enjoyment wise, or like there's something in the future that is better than what you have now. So
I love that. That's so true.
enjoy it.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
I had so much fun.
For sure. All right. See you guys.
Bye.